Ever wondered if your money in Spaceship is just chilling, or if it's actually within reach? It's a question a lot of us have when we start thinking about investing. We see the potential for growth, the cool app interface, the long-term vision, but what about the here and now? What if you need that money for an emergency, or for a big purchase? This isn't about pulling out your entire investment portfolio for a new pair of shoes. It's about understanding the mechanics of your money. It's about knowing what happens when you hit that withdraw button. Because let's be honest, the terms long-term and liquidity can sound a little intimidating. But they're crucial to grasp, especially when you're entrusting your hard-earned cash to an investment platform like Spaceship. So, let's get straight to the point. Can you withdraw money from Spaceship? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But it's not like pulling cash out of an ATM. There are a few key things you need to understand about how it works, what the timelines are, and how it might impact your investment strategy. First, let's talk about the process. When you initiate a withdrawal from your Spaceship Voyager portfolio, you're essentially selling your units in the fund. This isn't an instant transaction. The process has a few steps. Spaceship needs to sell the underlying assets in your portfolio to convert them back into cash. This is a crucial step and can take a little time. The price at which these assets are sold is determined at the end of the trading day. This is known as the unit price, and it's what determines the final amount you'll receive. So, how long does it all take? Typically, after you submit your withdrawal request, it can take anywhere from a few business days up to a week for the funds to hit your nominated bank account. This isn't just Spaceship being slow, it's a standard process in the world of managed funds. There's a settlement period involved as the transactions are processed and the money is transferred. Now, let's address the big question: what are the implications of withdrawing your money? The most obvious one is that you're taking money out of the market. This can have a significant impact, especially if you're withdrawing during a market downturn. You might be selling your units for less than what you bought them for, effectively locking in a loss. On the flip side, if the market is doing well, you might be missing out on future gains. This is why financial advisors always stress the importance of a long-term mindset when it comes to investing. So, while the answer is yes, you can withdraw, the real question becomes, should you? It all depends on your financial goals and your personal situation. It's important to have a strategy, whether it's for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or just a financial safety net. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.